Alright, so to load a saved NumPy array or pickle file using NumPy, we need to first import NumPy as np. So import NumPy as np. Next, we'll just say a equals np.load, and in quotes we'll put the file, so sample.npy. And now let's go ahead and see what a looks like. Excellent, this is the same array we saved in the np.save video, and it loaded so fast and so easy. So here's the file we loaded sitting on the desktop. You can also include the file path as part of your string if you're running code that is not in the same folder as the array you are trying to load. And here's just a quick look at the documentation for np.load. You can use np.load to also load npz files, which can also be arrays or other Python pickle files. So there you have it. That is how you can use NumPy's np.load to read in arrays. Be sure to check out some of my other Python videos, and don't forget to hit subscribe.